Testing, 1 2 1 2 testing. I need to also check if this microphone is working because actually no. Anyway, so just testing that my microphone is working, the lighting is all well, and all that stuff. That's what it is. Ooh, need hand lotion and then I'm ready. 2 minutes. Cool! Oh my word, I'm so nervous. I'm always nervous. Okay, cool. So nice. Can I do a video with my sunglasses on? Oh, look good. Cool, man. Okay, cool. I'm gonna get started. Hey guys. Okay, hold on, wait. Let me try these. This also looks good. Looks super nice. Okay, cool. I'm using focus. Alrighty. Cool. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Makeup Mess South Africa. I hope the lighting is okay. If it's not, please do bear with me. It is raining outside, so if you do hear some like rain or like some funny sounds, I don't know what that is, probably someone's like alarm, just know that it is raining, but come now, we can deal with that. Anyways, it's been such a long time since I've done a video. I'm not apologetic. I know some YouTubers always like, I'm so sorry, oh my god. I'm not sorry. I needed a break, and I had like other things that I really genuinely had to get done. But I am back and I'm super excited, and I'm also very nervous to be back doing a video. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be basically going through a Miss Lola packaging, a Miss Lola try-on haul that I actually got. It was my first time actually ordering from them. I'd never ever ordered from them before. Miss Lola is actually from America. It's an American brand, I think, if I'm correct. Or is it? Yes, it is, yeah, because Pretty Little Thing is from the UK and they took forever, and that's another video for another day. But yeah, so Miss Lola, I ordered them. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys what I got. Nothing hectic. I got like 2 items, but I'm still so excited, especially for the summer. I'm talking so fast. But yeah, cool. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So I'm going to get started. I just want to make sure that I actually am in the shot. So this is like a test, just to check that I am actually in the shot, and all that stuff. So yeah, so this is what it came in. Yada yada yada. But what if I also put it there? Sort of a thing. There's a mirror. I feel like it's like darker here. Isn't it darker? Because the lighting doesn't look so fabulous, honestly. So I have to put it back on again. Cool bananas. It's part of my nose. Great stuff. Okay, awesome. So guys, I'm gonna get started with the video, like I mentioned. Sure. So I think let me first start off with my experience ordering from Miss Lola and just the journey with them, like how long it took and all that stuff. So now we're in November. I actually ordered the shoes in September. It was for my birthday, my 29th birthday. And so yeah, so I ordered them probably, let's say, on the 6th, and then I only received them around like late September, if not early October. So it literally took a month for them to actually come through. I ordered them online and I had to go pick them up at the post office because of customs. So that's annoying, because now obviously I had to pay an extra, how much was it now? Depends how much you also spend, but golly, hey, sure. So I had to go to the post office, pick them up from there. I was waiting for a whole month for the shoes to actually arrive. And yeah, so that's the situation. I will say though, they are much better than Pretty Little Things. I'm sure you guys know the brand Pretty Little Things. They are based, Pretty Little Things, they're actually from the UK, right? If I'm correct, I think so. So gosh, that took so long to, and I'm still actually like, I don't even know if my order is still here. It's in November. It's literally November. I ordered them also like early September. So yeah, so Miss Lola was a lot quicker. All right, so I'm gonna quickly just go through it like this. Boom, this is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the packaging looks like. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit, and then I will show you guys what the shoes also look like when they're on, and they're so gorgeous. But very simple shoes, eh? Nothing too fancy, or maybe fancy for some people. Anyways, so yeah, so let's actually zoom in, and then I'll show you guys what's inside. Cool. So ready. I've actually worn the shoes already, guys. But it came with this like really pretty tissue paper. Get rid of that. And then it's beautiful. Oh, jeez. And then, so yeah, so super, super pretty packaging. It comes also with this like 40% like voucher thingamabobby for your next purchase, which is so awesome. But unfortunately, it does say the offer ends the 30th of September, but I got my packaging, like I got my order early October, so I can't even use it. So maybe Miss Lola, if you guys can extend your vouchers, that would be great for us girls in Africa. That would be awesome, because really yes, it took so long to get you, but hey, it is what it is. Super cool. How pretty is that? The girls look so cute on you. And then it also comes with this like really nice like welcome card, and it basically says, "Dear Lola babe," that's me. "Your purchase made my day, and I hope these pieces brighten up yours. Thank you for being my daily motivation. I wouldn't be able to do it. I wouldn't be able to do what I love without you all. Yours truly, Lola." It's so nice, so sweet. I like, it's so like, you can see like she really meant it when she said that. And then also like the social media sort of stuff. It's so funny. I was actually wondering about Snapchat. Is Snapchat still like a thing nowadays? I wonder. Do people still use Snapchat? Yo, I don't know, eh? Hectic. And then the very last piece is the returns and exchange card. Looks like this. If you want to exchange, I will not be exchanging because it took so long just to get you. Can you imagine if I'm going to exchange? I must go back there and then come. I'll probably get it back in June. And now we're in November. Can you imagine? No, literally, I think so. So maybe not. So I'm going to first start off with these pretty shoes. Ta-da! I'll put a picture as well somewhere here, just so you guys can see what they look like online before I bought them and all that stuff. So yeah, Miss Lola, so cute. I'm so excited because I haven't bought myself something in such a long time. I don't normally actually shop. People would, like, if you, I don't know, if you know me personally, you would think that I shop, or even if you just like look at me and you just see me, like your first impressions about me would probably be like, okay, she likes to shop. And that's, I don't shop that much, if not like at all, to be honest with you. So when I do buy something, I really do appreciate it. It's like so near and dear to me. I don't know, I don't like, I'd rather like, I don't know, I'm not like, I don't know why I don't. That's something I need to actually really change. But I don't shop that much. If I do, I'm probably going to be buying like makeup, or like, I don't know, like other weird stuff, you know. But clothes and stuff I don't buy, although I have so many clothes. But yeah, okay. So anyway, so these pretty black shoes like this. These ones are called, what are these shoes called again? Because they normally have names for them. Oh, these are called the Miss Lola Rodeo Black. Yeah, Rodeo Black. Oh shit, but another thing. So when I actually opened them the first time, I was so scared because I realized how small the shoe is. Look how small that is. I'm a size 5. And I was so nervous because when I ordered them online, I actually selected, they only had 5.5, 5.5, and 6, 7, 8 or something like that. So my 5 was not available online. So I thought, okay, well, let me just get 5.5. This is a 5.5. Look how small. I'm gonna zoom in to see if you guys can actually see. I'll take another video so you guys can see what they look like. But so small. So girls, I'm telling you now, I don't know if maybe I didn't check like the sizing, like time, like they have like a sizing table. I only noticed it like after I ordered, where you can check like the UK and that and this. But I would think, I never knew. I never realized that the 5.5 was, I don't know. Like I don't know what 5.5 this is. If it's like a British, I really don't know. But just make sure when you order from Miss Lola, check the sizing chart. That's the word I was looking for. Check the sizing chart, because you'll order something and it's not going to be the right size. Luckily though, because these shoes are opened, they're not like closed or anything. I can like sort of let my foot sit and sort of stretch its way in. You know what I mean? Because if it was a closed shoe, I definitely was not going to manage. They were going to hurt me, definitely. But anyways, classic summer black shoes. I'm so excited for these. So cute. Love them. I'm going to put them over here. It's so lovely. Okay. And then these other shoes. Yeah, so I need to put like 2 shoes. And then these cute little girls over here. Open up. Love these shoes. Like the color. Oh my god, when I saw them I was like, those are like perfect summer shoes. I have to have them. And I wanted to wear them for my birthday, but unfortunately they arrived too late. But it's fine, it's still summer, so I can still wear them. But I mean, how cute are these shoes? Like neon, sort of neon. Oh, I don't even know. I love them so much. The color is amazing. They're so pretty. They're delicious. And yeah, so this is what I got. Also 5.5. Also very small. I should have actually gone and checked that sizing chart. I never knew that a sizing chart. But yeah, so these are the shoes, guys. I'm going to quickly show you what they look like when I'm wearing them. And then that'll be the end of the video. I'm going to end the video right here. So just watch it until the end, like how I wear them and all that stuff. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. And this video was not sponsored. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, Miss Lola and all that stuff. Super cute. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And yeah, cool.